Stella and Sam are reading a book with their grandpa, and they seem to enjoy it a lot. Let's find out what's so wow about that book. This book has a section on the oldest creature. Great! So who is it? A tortoise. Are you sure, Stella? Show us. Advaita was a male tortoise who lived in the zoo at Kolkata. Advaita is believed to be the oldest creature that died at the age of 255 years in 2006. What about the oldest human being, Stella? Jean Calment of France is the longest living known human being till date. She died at the age of 122 years in 1997. The oldest creature lived for 255 years. The oldest living human being lived for 122 years. How many years more did the oldest animal live than the oldest human being? Let's find out. To find the answer, we have to subtract the smaller number 122 from the larger number 255. Let's write the two numbers in columns of hundreds, tens, and ones as shown. Now, let's start subtracting. We always start subtracting the digits in the ones column. Subtracting 2 from 5, we get 3 as the answer in the ones column. Next, we subtract the digits in the tens column. Again, subtracting 2 from 5, we get 3 as the answer in the tens column. Finally, we subtract the digits in the hundreds column. Subtracting 1 from 2, we get 1 as the answer in the hundreds column. Subtracting 122 from 255, we get 133. So the oldest animal lived 133 years more than the oldest human being. Do you have another interesting fact to share with us? The book also has a section that says fastest on land. So who is the fastest one, Stella? Oh, so there are different categories. Show us a couple. Bugatti Veyron is the fastest car in the world for the year 2011-2012. It has a speed of 429 kilometers per hour. Cheetah is the fastest land animal, having a speed of around 120 kilometers per hour. The fastest car in the world has a speed of 429 kilometers per hour, and the fastest land animal has a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. What is the difference between the speeds of the two? To find the answer, we have to subtract the smaller number 120 from the larger number 429. Let's write the two numbers in columns of hundreds, tens, and ones as shown, and then subtract. We start by subtracting the digits in the ones column. What do we get by subtracting the digits? 9 minus 0 is 9, so 9 is correct. Now, we subtract the digits in the tens column. What do we get by subtracting the digits? 2 minus 2 is 0, so 0 is correct. Finally, we subtract the digits in the hundreds column. So what do we get by subtracting the digits? 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 is correct. Subtracting 120 from 429, we get 309. So, the difference between the speeds of the fastest car and the fastest land animal in the world is 309 kilometers per hour. Sam and Sella are lost in their book again. Do you read books in your spare time? Try it. It is a very interesting pastime. Happy reading!